Today we have another 2-minute fix. Now we've done a few of these over the last year and this one definitely qualifies. While it is easily solved, we wanted to show you what we saw and how we solved it and the product we used, so hopefully it'll save you some time. Just as an update, this video was filmed a year ago and this product is holding up very well. Fall camping is finally here and we're ready to get after it. But before we do, I've got one last little project, a 2-minute fix. We're going to repair some of the belly paper underneath the camper. So here's the thing. I was under the camper doing an inspection and I noticed that the belly paper was starting to fray where it was coming in contact with the frame. So we went online and located the belly paper repair tape. This material comes in various widths and various lengths and has a very sticky adhesive on one side. This was truly a 2-minute fix. First, I located the areas that I wanted to repair. They weren't large tears, but the whole objective here was to make sure those small tears didn't become large tears. Then I gave the area a light cleanup. I cut a piece just big enough to cover the repair, plus a few extra inches on either side to make sure it tied it all together. Apply it firmly in place, and folks, that's it. We've had this camper for 3 years, and up to this point, luckily we haven't had any issues. But all it takes is one piece of debris on the freeway to rip this underbelly paper. When it does, if it does, I'll be glad I had this with me. I want to thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful fall camping season.